Today we are gonna talk about how to use RapidMiner Studio to import and retrieve your data. RapidMiner Studio is a software for data analysis for people who are not good at coding. It has very easy user interface to use and has some options for you to analyze your data. Let's take a look at the user interface. First, we can see there is Edit, Process, View, Connections, Setting, etc. Then we can see Repository, in which you can store and use your data. The operators are used to process your data. We can see there are different operators in different folders. Process is where the operator works. In process, you can put operator here and adjust its attributes in parameters. There is also some other options which are more advanced than the simple design. Let's import data from my computer. Let's open the data file, which is Excel. We click Next, and we can see the data here, and Next. Then we can see the data is in the repository. Now we use the operator retrieve in the process, and we adjust the parameters. In this parameter, we can choose where we retrieve the data. Click OK and link it to result and run. And in the results, we can see the data we retrieve from the repository.